No, I think it was 2 rounds in. Because I loaded up the Smith & Wesson Governor for my grandpa. He fired 2 .45 semi-autos.
Oh, that's right. He'd lost it.
And then one of my fucking hot-loaded 45 Colts, because I didn't realize they were the hot ones, because I really wasn't paying attention to my loads, which is stupid. And fucking squeezed the trigger, and the thing just somersaulted back Gaynard right out of his hand onto the ground. All I could do was laugh about it, you know?
Yeah.
I'm like, I can't get mad. It's not, you know, he didn't, it's not like he just took the thing out of his hand and fucking threw it on the ground. I mean,
True.
What am I going to do?
Sorry,
you know?
man.
Sorry, but I mean, hey, all I can do is fucking laugh about it. So that's when the Governor kind of became the, you know what? This is just a fun time, rainy shit, who gives a fuck deal. All right, well, let's take another run down there, guy. I want to see where we got.
Smells.
Come on, we need the exercise. Let's Pat Mac it down there. Ah! 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 God damn it, I'm already tired. All right.
I think it has something to do with the half waddle.
God, and I think I got fucking sand in my shoe on that too.
Really?
Jesus
I
Christ.
have no idea why. You just stuck
Well,
your
you
foot
know.
halfway in the fucking gravel's ass.
Whatever, guy. Pat Mac wouldn't care about sand in his shoe.
True. Very true.
The sand would have enough respect to stay out of that motherfucker. Yeah.
It was
those
funny because
those fucking videos are awesome. I can't laugh or deny it. They're fucking great.
the first thing Erin said when she saw it, she's like, Jesus, is that his older brother? Not his older brother, but they talk for life. Maybe what kind of a life? There you go.
Oh my God.
No.
See, we did a little bit better. Now I double hold that motherfucker.
Yep.
So, let's see, there was a double hole, and this is new.
That's it. So we hit 2.
Well, you know.
2 out of 8.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, whatever.
It's we're looking for extra jobs.
I mean,
Protection.
I was never in the military, so.
Oh, don't even fucking start with that shit. Don't even try and make this any worse than it already is. Give me a gun that doesn't just have fucking iron sights in the middle of the fucking night.
Adverse conditions. Adapt and overcome.
Alright, moving 50 yards closer. That's my adaptation.
Yeah, right. Shoot a missile at it.
Yeah. I don't know. Throw some money at the problem. $2 million missile usually fixes whatever you have a problem with.
Funny how that works.
Yeah. Shit never changes. Throw money at your problem, it usually goes away. Or it gets worse.
Yeah, well, you know.
A lot worse.
I mean, if we're talking about the problem being my gun safe being too full, then yes, throwing money at the problem just seems to make it worse. That is true. I'm going to have to buy another fucking gun cabinet soon. Yeah. Isn't that great? Another 4. Ooh.
Seriously?
I'm telling you, guy, the semi-wad cutters are kind of a bitch in there. There you go. That was definitely a hit. I saw the dust right behind the target. That one, not so much.
Let's just narrate some more, dick. We give you the gun and you pick up the brass, damn it.
Oh.
It's throwing some good flame though now.
Yeah, buddy. Definitely. Alright, if I can fucking get that thing out of here without dropping it again. How the fuck would somebody do this out in the woods?
So much for your brush gun idea.
Alright. Well, we're good. But I mean, they're cheap. It was, you know, it was really inexpensive for me to get these rounds.
True.
And they fucking work awesome and everything else.
All right, good deal. Ready?
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah, we're giving everybody an idea of what we're looking at here. Yeah, was a little high to the left.
This one's for you, buddy. That didn't hit anything ever. But I caught that brass.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice. True enough. On the move, revolvers. Revolvers at dawn. Dusk. Sorry, wrong time of the day. Ready?
Yeah, buddy.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Gets it.
No.
Oh, what the fuck? Right in the face? God
Yeah,
damn
right?
it.
Did the mosquito try to fuck your face?
No, the moth did. It fucking
Oh,
put its
man.
moth dick right in the mouth. God damn it.
Hey, at least it's small portions.
Dusty.
All right, I guess
Dusty vagina.
now we're going on.
Ready? Yeah. That's satisfying, isn't it? As
Even
another car
offhand,
flies
this
by
thing is like,
terrified.
yep, let's fucking do this all day long.
He stole us. Ready?
Fuck, I'm always.
All right, let's over the shoulder. Ready? Let's go. Shit. Oh,
Fuck yeah,
that
guys.
first one was fucking beautiful, dude. The flames touch each other like that, just like.
And yeah, just keep a nice grip on there. You should be all right. Whatever. See? Look at that. Like a champ. God, look at that. Awesome. .44 Magnum stereo. Would that make it an 88 Magnum? Just saying. Yeah, buddy. Just a. I can feel it in the pit of my very soul. I mean, it's cooled off a lot since earlier. It's still just.
I think that's why it's. I think that's why you're noticing it so much now.
hot. Yeah, that's right. Dick ball hot. It's a thing. Look it up.
Dick ball hot.
Yeah.
Shit.
Perfectly describes the temperature right in between your dick and your balls. Hot. Oh my god! Jesus fucking Christ.
What?
I just got hit in the head with a fucking low-flying Cessna.
Told ya. Fucking moth dick in the face.
Disgusting. I doubt this thing's even like. I'm gonna go to edit the video and like the whole last half hour is just gonna be like, you're not gonna be able to see shit.
Oh well, we tried. Somebody direct the light inside. Oh, there is light.
Oh yeah, did I forget to tell you? We actually have lights out on the range. So we can.
we can see what we're doing.
Well, I mean, we can. If the lights work, we can. All right. I really hope that it caught that because that looked fucking amazing. You had this perfect little fucking halo with an arrow sticking through it of fire. That's what it should look like all the time.
Yeah.
All right. Sure. I have to admit, for a little tiny gun, this thing is pretty fucking awesome.
It works. I mean, it's getting. It just takes some getting used to. It's already been a lot better as far as shooting and go quick and see if we can get it. Oh my god, yeah. That is fucking cool. Now I see what you're talking about because just like that little cone.
Yeah, that little Corona.
God, that's good.
That's awesome. Yeah,
Do it again.
You know what? I mean, I'm not a semi-auto guy, but that